Tara guys, samahan niyo ako as we open and unbox the Oppo A6 Pro, which just came out this week. And this is the box itself. Standard naman yung forma ng box, and I'm gonna show you the side. There you have it, 7000 mAh large battery with 80 watts super bulk charging, 120 Hz super narrow refresh rate. And ayun nga, buksan na natin yung laman ng box. So ito na yung loob. So we have the actual phone. And remove natin yan, and I'm gonna show you what's under that. So there's the wall charger. There's the, I'm gonna show it closer. Meron din yung USB cable, Type-C siya, as usual. And ayun, ang cute ng lagayan ng SIM ejector. So meron din tayong kasamang case. And ayan, medyo smooth and medyo maganda rin yung quality ng case nila as usual. And now let's talk about the phone itself. Ayan, so smooth yung likod, and I'm seeing two camera setups here, which we'll dive deeper into when we go and do the full review for this. Pero as you can see, maganda naman yung quality ng likod, very smooth. And now we're opening it. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of what you can expect from the Oppo A6 Pro. Setup pa lang, it's very Oppo-ish in feel, and syempre pipili din tayo ng language. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, kaya pipiliin natin ang Pilipinas dito, and then we go for some legal information, and then the usual setups. Skip na lang muna natin, and syempre walang wifi dito sa Funroof kung saan ko in-unbox to. So setup na lang muna natin later, and skip. I'm just gonna show you the interface and all what it looks like inside when you activate the phone. So ito na muna, buttons. Syempre Color OS to, ito yung pinakabago, and they're rolling out a new one soon. So let's get started on this. And voila, ayan ang itsura ng Oppo A6 Pro. So check natin yung other stuff dito. Ayan, and I'm gonna show you yung original apps na naka-install when you open it. And tingnan natin. Ayan. Ito yung ano nila. So let's check on device. So what it has right now, it's 256 GB for storage. MediaTek Helio G100 for the processor. Sabi ko nga 7000 mAh. For this quarter, for this this side of the year, malakas na siya. So anyway guys, stick around and I'll be giving you more of the Oppo A6 Pro as a review in the coming days. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you